If your laptop screen freezes, has a black screen, won't charge or won't turn on, here are 2 quick ways you can fix that. On your laptop, you're going to press on the Windows Ctrl+Shift+B. You're going to hear a beep sound and your screen will flicker and flash for a second. What this does is that it resets the graphics card of your laptop, making it run more smoothly and faster. Now the second method is to unplug your charger from the laptop. Now press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug the charger back in and power on your laptop, and your laptop will be back to normal. It will also reset your laptop in case there are any power issues causing this problem. If you found this helpful, share this video and follow us for more tips like this.